You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, not take. Yo, my laundromat is packed today. My washer is broken, my dryer is broken. But I can still use my washer. So I just go to the laundromat to dry. The toothpaste on my shirt, but I'm still gonna wear this. So, yeah. Okay, you guys, so we're still going to Chili's. I'm just waiting on Kingston to wake up from his nap. It's about 5, maybe 5:20, but it's okay. The later, the better. I want him to be well rested, and the later it is, the less people it is. Am I the only one that puts lotion on my clothes? Hold on. I thought that was Kingston, but it was Josiah. But anyway, but yeah, I put lotion on my clothes. Like, if there's too much on my hands after I'm done wiping my face with something off, I'll put it on my clothes, and that actually leaves the scent on all day. Yeah, so that's a good tip, y'all. This is my outfit, y'all. So I'm thinking about some green eyeshadow, or maybe some orange or something, maybe white, maybe green and white. I think I'm gonna do that. This is my little makeup bag, guys. So I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant. I think I'm gonna take them to the park because it is so hot outside, you guys. But I don't know, it's kind of getting late, and it gets dark here around 6 o'clock. And I told y'all it's about 5 already. So we might not be able to go to the park today, but we will definitely be going out to eat. And I will see you guys when we get there. Alright, you guys, so Kingston is woke now. My baby is woke. So I'm just waiting on my phone to charge. The boys are ready. I just have to put a different shirt on Josiah. He could wear his white t-shirt, that's fine. Just gotta put on Kingston's shoes, put on their jackets and their... It's really hot outside, but I'm still gonna put their jackets on because this weather is so crazy. Once we leave Chili's, you never know, it might be snowing. That's how Arkansas is. But let my phone charge up, and we will see you guys at the restaurant. You color on your paper. Color on your paper. just left Chili's. We're still in the parking lot, actually. I'm about to go to my mom's house and maybe she will take us home. Yeah, we're gonna go to my mom's house because we haven't been there in a while anyway, and plus she could take us home and get her van back. But I need to put gas in here first. Right, we got our gas. Let's go. It's getting cold out here. That's why I'm glad I brought the kids' jackets, because it was so hot when we left. But being Arkansas, I knew that it was gonna be crazy. Like, the weather is bipolar here. Like, it was damn near 90 degrees today, and now it feels like it's about 60 and it's windy. But we're on the way to my mom's. I will see you guys when we get there. Haven't been to my mom's house in about, just to sit over there and chill. Like, I haven't been over there in like weeks, maybe 4 or 5 weeks. But I've just been there in and out, you know, washing and drying my clothes. But anyway, yeah, I will see y'all when we get there. It's my little brother, y'all. He wants y'all to see him. I don't know why. Y'all, he's sick of subscribe to him. Sorry, what you doing? You get a haircut? Yep. Yeah. Let's see what. Playing pool, son? Good job. Is she pretty up there? What you doing,
And already I had to see.
You're always watching the TV. Alright, you guys, so we are back from Chili's. I got our food in a to-go container. There's mine. And the boys had pizza. Of course, they did not touch it, so I'm just gonna put this in the fridge because the boys are not hungry. Plus, Josiah is sleeping right now. Kingston's in my bed watching TV and eating a cookie. Hey, Kingston. This needs to go. Get back, don't touch that. You want one? Here. Say thank you. Say thank you, Mommy. I need to throw this out. So we're just watching a movie right now, and I'm not really ready to go to bed yet. So I think I'm going to go ahead and fold laundry, so I don't have to do it tomorrow. Also, I think I'm going to go ahead and clean up the bathroom because it is dirty, especially my tub. The most, it's honestly between folding clothes and washing dishes. To be honest, I think washing dishes has to be the most irritating chore. They just get dirty too fast, and it's just back to back. Let me fold these clothes and I'll talk to y'all when I'm done. So let's get into cleaning this bathroom, get it over with, so we ain't gotta do it tomorrow.
true. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you weren't you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We're in heaven and place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more.
So me and King are eating our leftovers before bed. Yeah, so I'm about to get into bed after this. Okay, you guys, so I'm sitting here with King. Josiah's still asleep. So just me and Kingston. Come here, Kingston. Come say hi. Say hey. Say hey. I think he's sleepy too. He's just fighting. But you guys, that is it for the vlog. This is the end of the vlog. If you guys have reached the end of this vlog, please don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time we post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see y'all in the next one.